Hey everyone, if this topic ever confused you, don't worry. By the end of this video, your doubt will be gone. So without wasting a second, let's get started. Logical operator. Let's see what is logical operator. There are three types of logical operator. First operator is AND operator. How it works? It returns true if both sides are true. Let's try to understand through the example. Log true and true. If both conditions are true, so it returns true, or vice versa. If both side is false, so it returns false. But it returns true if both sides are true. If both conditions are false, so it returns false. If one condition is true and second condition is false, it returns false. If your first condition is false and second condition is true, it also returns false. AND operator only return true when both conditions are true. Otherwise, it returns false, like you see in this case. Let's see another operator. OR operator. What it does, it returns true. Like if one condition true, so it returns true. It does not check two conditions. If from two condition one condition become true, so it just immediately returns true. Does not check other conditions. Let's see. Log true and false. It returns true if at least one side is true. Let's see. One side is true, it returns true. Both side is false, so it returns false. Both side is true, but it just need one side to be true. So they both are true, so it returns true. And last one, this one is true, so it returns true. It returning true because one condition is true. This condition is true, so it returning true. In this scenario, we are comparing just two conditions, but in big code, we compare lots of things. So it stop checking as soon as it finds true because the whole result must be true. So we should not use OR as soon as we know what we are doing. Let's move on our next one. Third and last logical operator is NOT operator. Let's see how it works. Logical NOT. How it works? It's just flip the Boolean values like log. So it returning false. It just returns the Boolean values. Log false. So now it is returning true. So this is how logical operator works. Thanks for watching Coders. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to Coding with Risky